Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. You can see here, all this was caused by the sun visor rotted a whole lot out. So the whole lot from there to the screen needs replacing. Now, sun visor will go back on. So it doesn't really matter what it looks like, so long as it lines up with the windshield. Okay, you can see inside. This is rotten. See, the inner skin's sort of gone as well. But again, that's fixable, you know, if this has all been re-welded. Okay, the rest of it's pretty good. You know, the rest pretty sound. It's double skinned, obviously being a military vehicle. I don't know if the civvy ones ever were. But apart from that, cracking looking truck. You know, I do love this thing, always have. But you can see how bad this thing is here. Literally the whole thing has been sat here for some time. You can see it's completely rotten. So basically from here, this problem is all this was filled in with silicone and the water's sat here. Now really it wants from here, panel making to there, and then one obviously. You can see here, you know, it's pretty bad. Okay, so whoever's got the skills, give me a rough idea and you'll be paid. The old 360 Dodge motor, fucking awesome. And this is a proper crew cab, not your Mickey Mouse modern shit. Being a military spec, it's obviously far better made than the new vehicles. See all the gizmos. This really was my pride and joy till it all rusted. And obviously all this headline has come out now with the heat and the fact the glue's broken down. But done up, this thing will be bloody believable like it was before. So if you need anyone, sorry, if you know anyone that can help, okay, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.